Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve groups not opening on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve groups not opening on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, we can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window of Telegram app and you can click. As you see, here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.